Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates how to view the company profile on Scheduley app. After logging into Scheduley app, you will be taken to the home screen. Click the Profile tab at the bottom right corner. In the Profile tab, click Edit Your Profile and select Profile. Here, you will see the details for the company profile. First is toggle on and off slider to indicate whether your company is available in towers or not. Next is the option for companies to upload banners to display on their profile in the application. Scroll down and click the Add More button to add more banner images. Next is the company profile PDF upload. Click the upload file to upload the PDF version of the company's profile and the red button to delete the file. Following that is the service providing information. Enter details of the type of services you offer clients. Write briefly about your organization and add the bio. Input the phone number and the company website line afterwards. Once done, click the Save button. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified about new videos. See you in the next video.